Recording calls on the Botim app is not built in directly, but you can still record calls using alternative methods. One simple way is using your phone's screen recorder. First, open the Botim app on your phone. Select the contact you want to call. Before starting the call, prepare your screen recorder. Swipe down to open Quick Settings. Tap the screen recording option. Make sure audio recording is enabled. Now start the screen recording. Return to the Botim app. Start your voice or video call. The screen recorder will capture the conversation. Make sure your microphone is active. Speak normally during the call. When the call ends, stop the recording. Your phone will save the recording automatically. You can find it in your gallery. Play the video to hear the recorded call. Another option is using third-party apps. Search for call recording apps in your app store. Install a trusted recording application. Open the app and adjust its settings. Enable recording permissions. Some apps can record app calls automatically. After setup, start your Botim call. The app may record the conversation in the background. Always check your local laws before recording calls. Recording without permission may not be allowed in some areas. Use this feature responsibly and only when needed.